Are you having trouble finding the Face ID option in your iPhone? It can be frustrating, but don't worry. We're going to walk through some simple troubleshooting steps to get it working again. There could be a few reasons why it's missing, like a software bug, or Face ID being turned off, or a setting that's causing it to hide. Let's fix that today with some easy solution. Solution 1. Enable these important settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a little and tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down and tap Face ID and Attention. Now make sure the following settings are enabled. Require attention for Face ID. Attention-aware features. Haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already on, then turn them off and after that, turn them back on again. This can help reset the settings. Solution 2. Check screen time restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, if screen time is enabled, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now make sure to turn off any restrictions that could be affecting Face ID on your iPhone. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update. Now if an update is available, tap Download and Install. Software updates often fix issues like Face ID not showing up, so this could solve the problem. Solution 4. Reset all settings on your iPhone. Open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Solution 5. Perform a hardware test for Face ID issues. Go to the App Store, then search for and install an app called Check My Device. After that, open the app. Scroll down and find the Face ID test option. Now tap Begin Test to check if your Face ID works properly. If Face ID still doesn't work in the test, it might be a hardware issue. If that's the case, you'll need to visit AppleCare for further assistance. After resetting all settings, try setting up Face ID again to see if the issue is fixed. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to get the Face ID option showing up on your iPhone again. I hope this helped. Let me know if you ran into any issues or have any questions. Don't hesitate to ask if you need more help.